breakfast this morning is, who can guess what's in this pot? Dumplings and green banana. And over here I have corned beef. Breakfast heavy this morning. You want to tell you what to do? I have more banana dumpling and corned beef. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night.
Hi guys.
Oh jeez, I almost wrapped back on you and he's just walked past me like soups. You guys, jeez, it's late afternoon and we're just starting today's vlog because we have been busy trying to get some stuff done around here. Look at this backsplash. Oh, it's just so pretty. How are you guys doing? Hope all is well. I am in the kitchen, of course, as usual, my favorite place. I'm actually going to start making dinner right now. We are making raclette today. I'll show you guys what that is in a bit if you don't know what that is. And as you guys know or may have noticed that we still don't have a dining room table and chair, but that shall come soon. Slowly but surely we'll get everything. So we're gonna have to figure out where to plug our raclette machine and where to sit and eat and stuff like that. It doesn't matter, there's nothing wrong with it. Okay. I tell you to go for some potato and you carry the entire pan. The big pot. Come honey, do that.
The big pot.
Oh shoot. Oh. Oh. I want the big pot.
And where is the big pot?
It's in the fridge with your meat. You're gonna have to scrape it
meat?
out. I am going to start making dinner right now. And like I said, the table and chair dining room set will come. We'll get that soon, but for now we just have to sit wherever we feel like sit and eat until then. But the first process to doing the raclette is to boil these potatoes. So I'm gonna peel them and cook them, and then no, that's not the only thing you have to do. Then I plug in the raclette machine, melt the cheese, do our meat, and then you guys will see. If you guys are a fan of, are you guys a fan of raclette? Comment down below and let us know if you guys love raclette or if you guys would, if it's something that you guys would ever try. Anyway, hopefully you guys are having a good day, whatever time of the day or whenever you guys are watching this vlog. Tyler is in his room talking to his auntie. Let me show you guys him. It's the weekend, so that's what we normally do. FaceTime family. He's in there talking to my sister. Mama! Yes, baby! Who is that? You saw Kaylin? Kaylin! Let me see. Your face. Princess! My sister and my niece.
Why you scream like you haven't seen Kaylin in years?
That's him when he's excited. What you see Kaylin? They're talking to Auntie and Kaylin. And what you doing? What you cooking for them? What you cooking for Auntie and Kaylin?
Okay.
Hmm?
Check the pizza.
Auntie said if you check the pizza, you're gonna make the pizza burn up. Check the oven for the pizza.
No, I need. It's big. It's big on my food.
See Kaylin dear, look. See her dear. she playing cash with you. She hiding.
Kaylin, I'm making pizza and chicken, and now I'm gonna wash the salad, and now I'm gonna swipe. Twice.
Kaylin, don't eat salad, Tyler.
Need to tell Kaylin to eat her veggies.
Kaylin, Tyler, Kaylin don't eat salad. You're gonna have to make her something else, okay?
Okay.
What else you gonna make her?
It's good for her. It's her baby is good for her.
Be careful. So that's him on the phone every time we're talking to family. He just take over and he goes all in. Is either he's cooking or something. Anyway, you guys, while baby's getting the pot ready, something was in the pot that I need, so baby's getting it ready for me. I am going to go ahead and start this process because I eat dinner early and I was looking forward to this raclette. So let's get it done. All right, you guys, potatoes cooking. Step 1. You guys, we made a makeshift table. We're using Tyler desk from his room.
Mama.
I soon talk to you. So the potatoes ready. These are the raclette holder for the cheese. This is the scraper of the cheese. I said I soon talk to you. Stop saying mama. And this is the meat that we're gonna use, put on the raclette machine, so you can cook your meat if you want, you can have it raw if you want, and then we're gonna melt the cheese under here. Yes, Tyler, it's time for dinner.
Mama.
Yes, Ty.
You just said cooking.
No, come.
But I
Come.
want that for Christmas Day.
Christmas gone already. You get.
Mama, why we sit in my
Right.
table?
Because we don't have a dining room table as yet.
Bon appetit, everybody.
Bon appetit. Give me a kiss. Give me a kissy. Can you cut off the edge of the cheese for me? Cooking?
Yeah. Can you give me one?
Yeah, but I have to cook it for you.
Can you give me one?
But I have to cook it. I have to cook it first. I'm gonna put it right here, okay? I'm gonna put one of this one for me.
Why you sip it around?
Huh?
Why you sip it around?
Wait, let's cook it.
Why you sip it around, Mama?
No, Ty, put it under here. Put it here. Voila. Good job. Put it under here.
Okay.
And now you're going to put a potato in your plate and cut it. Hot, hot. Because you're gonna put your cheese on it and then you're gonna put your ham on it. Okay?
To dress it?
Yes. I think it's gonna do a sandwich.
I do what now?
You wait for your cheese to melt. Okay?
It smells.
It's melting. I'll soon show you the cheese melting.
It's melting. Show me.
Show you?
Yeah.
It's not melting as yet. I'll soon show you.
I have to sip it around.
You're too far away. You have to stay far away from it. It's hot. Keep this one for you to scrape out your cheese on your potato, okay?
Mama? 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 Melt?
It's melting. It don't finish melted yet. Yummy? Yeah, babe, look at yours melting away. Oh, appetite. So much. It's yummy. Rachel W.
Rachel W.
And let me see.
And
Everything is everything. Say everything.
everything is everything.
Right. So thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Listen, this boy know his role. Once it comes to the evening, he said, Mama, I'm ready to do notification shout out. So there you guys have the notification shout out for today from my boy. What's wrong with the tablet? It freeze? Papa coming to fix it. Come on, this tablet. Got my working husband, y'all. He's doing and doing and doing non-stop.
Taking care of you.
Forever taking care of me. He's cleaning up. I said forever taking care of me. He's cleaning up after dinner. Washing dishes and I think he's even going to iron. Maybe not, because after all the things I see him doing, I'm sure he's gonna be tired. Hey guys, I hate seeing the reflection of the computer in my glasses.
Just taking a little break from the ironing and
He
the
is
washing
ironing,
and
you
all
guys.
these things.
Babe is ironing. Baby's playing Mr. House today. All in, all in.
I took the for some months and I never ironed, and she was doing the job, and now it's my job.
Tyler is done for the night, and we're coming at the end today's vlog to give you guys the expressions of today. You guys haven't gotten an expression in a long time, but today's today. You guys gonna get an expression. What's the French expression for today? Babe, gonna go first today.
Yeah, the French expression came this morning. I slept so long, and the French expression is faire le tour du cadran. Faire le tour du cadran is basically, cadran is the clock, the round on the clock. It's like the clock, and we're doing like to do the turn of the clock. So basically, when you're sleeping and you say, oh, I'm gonna do the turn of the clock, mean you're gonna sleep like long time. Like for example, you go to bed at midnight, well, you're gonna sleep until it's midday. You're going to bed at 11, you're going to wake up at 11. I mean, you're gonna sleep at least until the clock turn completely. Understand? Say it.
Say it again.
Faire le tour du cadran.
Faire le tour du
Cadran.
cadran.
Cadran. Yeah, to sleep at least 12 hours.
I wanted to give the Jamaican expression after that, but what does it call when you sleep long in Jamaica? What would you say? You sleep like you're breathing woman. That's what a Jamaican would say. You sleep like you're a breathing woman. You just asleep, so you know what that means?
You
It's like
sleep
you're
a
breeding
woman.
Breeding woman. What does that mean?
I don't know, like a
Yes.
pregnant woman.
Right? Ooh, look at you. Yes.
Breed.
You seem like a pregnant woman, so you just sleep, sleep,
pregnant
sleep.
woman sleep, sleep, sleep. Well,
Yes, a pregnant woman sleep a lot, a lot. Anyway, you guys, there you have. No, you have to say it.
yeah, sleep like a
Breeding woman. Breeding.
Breeding woman.
Right.
A breeding woman.
Right.
Are you a breeding woman?
Anyway, you guys, there you have the French and the Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Like sure, guys.
Yes. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, because you don't want to miss all the nice, yummy, juicy vlogs to come. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up. And if you don't get your notification, go to our channel. Every day a video is there. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.